In this video, you'll learn how three major tech giants, Tencent, Alibaba, and ByteDance have each launched powerful new AI tools that can create images in real time, edit and generate videos instantly, and even run research on their own using multi-agent AI systems. These tools are changing the way designers, video editors, marketers, developers, and researchers work. Let's dive in. Tencent has just launched Hunyuan Image 2.0, and it's a game changer in real-time image generation. This AI tool can generate high-quality images as fast as you can type. Before, we were used to waiting 10, 20, or even 30 seconds for an AI model to finish creating an image. Now, with Hunyuan Image 2.0, that delay is gone. The response happens in milliseconds. You can use this tool by typing a prompt, speaking out loud, or even drawing a rough sketch. The system will instantly show you a high-quality image that looks real, sharp, and detailed. This is made possible because Tencent rebuilt the AI's core. They used new coding methods and updated their image generation process. On test benchmarks, Hunyuan scored over 95% accuracy, which is better than most other image generators out there today. You can create ads, illustrations, and concept art fast without going through multiple trial and error cycles. One cool feature is the drawing board. As you sketch or make adjustments, the AI updates colors and details in real time. You don't lose momentum or creative flow, it just keeps going. You can even talk to it. Yes, just speak your idea and watch it become a picture right in front of you. This is especially helpful for live presentations, education, or marketing where fast visuals are a must. You can use Hunyuan via Tencent Cloud by creating an account at hunyuan.tencent.com. For open source models like Hunyuan 7B, visit Hugging Face or GitHub. No sign up needed, but some coding skills required. It's also built into apps like WeChat and Tencent Meeting for easy access. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on that like button if you like my video. Also click on that notification bell. Thank you. Now let's talk about Alibaba. Right after Tencent made news with their image generator, Alibaba made a huge move. Their research lab, 1X Lab, introduced a tool called VASE. VASE stands for Video All-in-One Creation and Editing, and the name says it all. Until now, you needed different apps for each task like cutting, animating, changing backgrounds, and adding special effects. VASE fixes that. It does all of those things in one place. It runs on a powerful AI model called 1.2.1 with 14 billion parameters. That's big, and that power lets you do things like turn a simple text prompt into a full video. Edit just one part of a clip, like changing the sky, without touching the rest. Combine reference images or videos to control how your final video looks. Mask, edit, recolor, and extend scenes all in one go. Now you don't need to open After Effects or CapCut or switch between three apps just to fix one thing. It's all in VASE. VASE uses something called a video unit. It reads your prompt, understands the video and your goals, and keeps everything smooth. So if you want to add 10 more seconds to a video, swap out a person's clothes and change the background, it all stays in perfect motion with no weird glitches or jumps. Right now, VASE can export up to 720p, which is good for web videos, ads, and even basic TV content. And yes, higher resolution is coming soon. If you want to use it on your computer, you'll need a decent GPU. But the good news is, it's open source and easy to set up. You can run it on Hugging Face or ModelScope, and it supports Python 3.10 and CUDA 12.4. Whether you are using simple command lines or a web interface like Gradio, it's beginner friendly. You can do text to video, video to video, change a video scene, mask editing, target only one part, or even reference to video, where you animate a picture into a moving scene. You can mix and match features too. VASE has already been tested in dozens of categories like pose transfer, motion, and depth. It consistently produced better quality, smoother transitions, and fewer errors than its competitors. Now let's move on to ByteDance. ByteDance, the company behind TikTok, isn't staying behind. They've introduced Seed 1.5 VL, a new foundation model that combines vision and language, and they've also launched Deerflow, a modular multi-agent system for automating research. Let's break that down. Seed 1.5 VL can look at images, read text, understand videos, and respond intelligently. It has over 3 trillion training tokens across all formats like text, image, video, and audio. Even though it's smaller than other giant models, it beats them on 38 out of 60 vision language tests, outperforming OpenAI and others in many cases. It's also built for smart thinking. If you ask it to count objects in a photo, explain a diagram, or understand 3D shapes, it can do that. It even changes how it watches videos. When a video is complex, it looks at more frames, and when video is simple, it saves resources. That balance keeps the model efficient and smart. Seed 1.5 VL works great for tasks like document reading, video understanding, image classification, diagram analysis, reading text from images. There's also a thinking mode, where it performs even better on complex multi-step tasks. This model is great for building smarter chatbots, interactive Q&A tools, or even AI that can describe images and videos live. By the way, if you want to learn more about AI, then enroll on our course Introduction to AI and ChatGPT on our website. But the real innovation is Deerflow. Deerflow is ByteDance's tool for automated research using multiple AI agents. Instead of having one big AI do everything, Deerflow splits tasks across a team of many AIs. Each agent has one job like planning, searching, coding, analyzing, writing. Then they work together in a directed graph. You can jump in and check each step. If something looks wrong, you can correct it. This is perfect for tasks like writing research papers, creating presentations, running scientific tests, summarizing articles. It works with modern tools, Python 3.12, Node.js UV, ppm. You can run it locally or in the cloud. It comes with pre-built workflows, a user interface, and even a visual graph showing how data moves from one AI agent to another. Deerflow connects to web search engines like DuckDuckGo, Brave, and Tavali. It also uses ByteDance's own model hub. You can generate research, build slides, and even create podcasts with text-to-speech options that sound natural and let you adjust pitch, speed, and volume. If you want a reliable system that can automate complex workflows but still lets you stay in control, Deerflow is it. Whether you're an artist, editor, developer, or researcher, you can start using them today. The game has changed. Let me know in the comments which of these tools you're most excited about. And if you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tech videos. I'll see you in the next video, and let's keep learning together.